So this is the city, guys. So what I see here in the city is very crowded, and if the place is not weekend, I think.
Hey man, tudo bom?
Hi guys, so here in the city you can see people like this. They are sleeping in the road, guys. Look at that. See, like the guys died. Oh look, put the head inside the bicycle. See guys, oh my goodness, look at that. Kawawa. I think the guys died. Oh my goodness. So,
I will try back there in the...
hi guys, so we are lost. My husband is lost, guys, but the city is not too much big, right?
No.
Because my husband is too much angry because the road here is too much crazy.
The signal transit line
Yes,
is that bad.
the signal here in the road, guys, my husband telling it's very bad, because for example you want to go on the right side but don't have signal for going the right side. Only you will see when you arrive there. So here, and have parking here that you need pay. All the parking here in Brazil need pay money.
Really? Don't have look for stuff.
So my husband is lost. Ta-da! So this is the place. Why have too much car in the road, in the parking lot? Ah, this is church there. Careful here. So this is the problem here if the city is too much crowded, no? You see everything left, right, buildings, stores, like that. So yeah, we are just only going around the city. My husband don't know where park the car. So here, guys, you are not possible to park anywhere you want, because have places here for parking your car. And
Yeah, the type one place the first of the planet.
you see, so ayan guys, maglakad-lakad tayo sa may city. So wala masyadong tao, guys. Don't have too much people. Why don't have too much people today?
Sunday morning early. You see the great people here don't sell food. Obrigado.
Hey guys, so nandito kami sa isang place where you can see different stores. Phone case there. Rubbish is here. So, computer store here. The place is not all open.
No.
Only some stores are open.
You don't like to work in the Sunday here.
Lebanese food there.
Yes, food, baby. But you see the inside, all the sides are the same thing. Electronics.
Yes, all electronics. Guys, so we are here in the electronics. So bumili ako nito, guys. Taran! I like this tripod because my tripod there is like this height.
Yeah, the tripod you have it much with that, no?
Yes, not too much height. So electronic store siya, guys. So bumili ako nun. Taran! Tapos may mga ring light din sila dito.
What is the table?
Ah, yes. Because I buy this one online.
I don't like bad things like that in online. Normally the product is different. Not have that quality. I tell you that my time about it.
This one is like Bluetooth. When you put this one, your phone is going there and going that. Yes. So this is only for the people who making videos like this, guys. Hi guys, so I just only buy one tripod for me. It's not expensive, right? It's only $40.
Cheap price. This is $8.
Yeah, at hindi siya mahal guys. Sa 40 lang siya. And the thing is too much hard, not soft. So for me guys, I like electronic because I always making videos. So bumibili ako ng mga gamit ko is all electronic shop. Look how electronic shop. You know this one, if we buy in the mall, too much expensive. I don't care. Hey guys, so dito sa mga store nila guys is more on electronics sila. Tingnan nyo, may bisikleta na tinitinda, para rin siyang bisikleta tsaka motorcycle. So yan, ito yung place kung saan may mga food area din dito. Tsaka kung sakaling kailangan mo ng cash, pwede kang mag-withdraw doon. Let's see. Oh my god, this is the place where I belong. Electronic shop. Pabili na ako.
It's been working there and the Lebanese restaurant.
But I don't see Asian food here. Only in São Paulo I see.
Ask people for work in the cuisine.
How you know?
Contrata, sim. Diz que medo. Auxiliar de cozinha is
Working in the kitchen.
Working kitchen, but not the principal, né? Like for
For
help the
clean.
people, something like that.
Wash the plates.
Nice like that.
So this is parking lot guys, which is, tingnan nyo, 10 real per hour. Oh my god, these people really very good business. 1 hour is 10 real. So ayan
O pagamento
guys,
depois é lá embaixo no subsolo aí, tá? Lá no subsolo. O senhor tá vendo aquela maroca lá?
no. I don't think. I see you put there in the... When I put my phone, you put there. So yung binayaran namin sa parking lot is 10 real siya guys. Sobrang mahal niya in fairness. Ano yung parking lot nila dito is gold. Ito yung mahirap sa city guys. Lahat mahal, pati parking lot. So the parking is 10 real per hours, right? Like if you spend like 2 hours, you pay 20.
Yes, 3 hours 30. 4 hours 40.
Oh my goodness.
50. One day.
So mag-exit na tayo guys. May parking lot. Merry Christmas. Hi guys, so bibili tayo ng ticket. So ito yung place kung saan bibili kayo ng ticket guys. Ang daming tao. So ito yung price guys. So ang mga adult is 68. Senior citizen, you pay 34. 6 to 12 years old, 34 years old. 5 above, 0 to 5 years old guys. Free. Hindi ka magbabayad. So ito yung entrance guys. Pupunta kami sa teleferic. So nakapunta na kami before doon. So second time namin dito pumunta.
acompanhar, pessoal?
Olha o barco pirata cheio de gente. Só que tem que andar agora de manhã, depois tem vento nos caras. So, ayan guys, we are here in Secretary Ferry na. So, tingnan nyo yung baba. Sobrang taas niya. So, dito kasi guys, there is mountain out na pwede kang mag-stop. So, ayan, nakikita niya talaga yung view. Oh my goodness gracious, I'm not scared.
Look, oh, people aqui não have any mentors for you here. Gente, que coisa do mundo,
Why?
You feel a pleasure?
Only little. Nice here, huh? For pictures. So, this is inside the mountain, right? So, dito guys, marami kang pwedeng puntahan dyan, like this. May mga signs sila na park ambiental.
Parque ambiental.
You can go there also for walk. So, ayan. So, here guys, you can go here only by telepheric. Hindi ka pwedeng makapunta dito by car kasi sa taas po siya ng mountain. Ito guys, para siyang food court. This is the place where before when we come here, have too much people there, too much crowded. Now the sugar cane here. So yung asawa ko guys, bumibili siya ng sugar cane. Only one? Only this one. Yes. So, ito ang makikita nyo sa taas guys, sa taas ng bundok, which is ayan. So, dito guys, pwede kang mag-relax. So, ayan. Ito yung bag na dinadala ko pag umaalis kami. See the view doon guys, may magandang view doon. Taran! Mamaya pupunta kami doon. Sobrang init ngayon, my goodness. Ewan ko mga ano ata ang degree dito sa 38 ata. Tapos ayan guys, so pwede kang bumili ng ticket para po siyang train. Iikot ka ata dito. Ewan ko kung hanggang saan ka pwedeng umikot. So ayan. Inom tayong sugar cane guys. Ito sa akin, ganitong size lang. At ito sa aking asawa. Taran! So, ayan guys. Pupunta tayo rito kung saan magpapapicture tayo. Taran! So, may upuan din dyan. So, ganito ang view dito guys. Before nung pumunta kami dito, sobrang crowded niya. So that is glass, but you cannot see down, you see? So, itong view niya dito guys, oh. Oh my goodness. Look at the view guys, sobrang ganda. At malakas nga yung hangin. Yeah, the air is strong. So, ayun yung sinakyan namin siya. Sinakyan namin guys, so papunta siya doon sa may stopover doon. So, ayan. Ito yung view sa baba, tignan nyo. Tarang! Ayan, oh. Ganda ng view. So ito yung mga tao dito, nagpapapicture din sila. Nagpapapicture din kami. So ayaw ng asawa ko, my husband don't like too much sun. The sun is too much hot for him. Burn the skin. We need to walk now, no? So maglalakad na kami, guys. So we are going for an adventure, guys.
More fresh here.
Yes, because nature, baby. So I think here you can see birds. Maybe have birds.
To see the birds, animals like that, need mind.
And have snake also here, you see? I think the snake is only in the trees. Not possible have snake here.
Yeah, no, this snake is not have poison. This is snakes.
Don't have poison?
No, it's like snake not poison. Snake it don't have poison.
But really have snake. Really have snake here. So dito kami sa forest, guys. Because we see some signs there is that have snake, guys. Pero sinasabi naman sa ano na wala daw poison. So yan. Here inside have air. Yeah. Look at that, guys. So we are looking for anaconda. Anaconda don't have poison?
The train, yeah. The train pass for the forest.
They are selling ice cream, baby. So, nasa na ba tayo? Isa po siyang... This is the place where Santa Claus.
Yes, you
have
see
Santa
there,
Claus.
Santa coming.
Casa de Chocolate.
43 days. 43
For,
days for Santa.
for Christmas. Yan, guys. So, have big candy here.
Olá pessoal, bom dia, tudo bem? Sejam bem-vindos à Casa de Chocolate. Chocolate gelado e cappuccino gelado com bolinho de sorvete, marshmallow, cobertura de chocolate.
Okay, thank you.
Casa House of Chocolates. I want pictures there, baby. You see? Oh, you can sit there. I think it's... Dun, 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 dun. We take pictures there, baby. So, itatry namin ito, guys. Oh, too much people in the line. So, ayan, guys. We are entering na. So, itatry namin to. So, ayan, guys. Itatry namin siya. Never pa namin na-try. Oh my God, nakakatakot siya. Hindi ko pa siya natatry, guys. Ngayon pa lang, no? So, yung asawa ko, uupo siya sa likod, tapos ako sa harapan. Kasi sa likod, guys, is yung control nasa likod. So, okay lang nasa harap. Kasi ang trabaho ko, guys, is mag-videos. So, ayan.
Tirolesa não era aqui, Calma? Lá, tirolesa, ó. Ó a fila da tirolesa. Olha lá em cima. Desce até lá embaixo, ó. É verdade, ó.
So, ayan, guys. So, bababa na kami. So, tapos na kami pumunta doon, guys. So, malapit kami sa may beach. What you prefer eat? Seafood or barbecue?
In this moment, nothing.
Nothing.
It's better eat because later you start feel hungry. It's not it.
So, dito, guys, sa may beach, may makikita kayong mga store. Look at that. So, tinitinda nila is mga beachwear, mga swimsuit, mga ganyan, salbabida. At doon, sa pinakadulo is ang beach. So, nandito na tayo sa beach area, guys. Yung asawa ko nagko-complain na siya. Yes! Nagko-complain na siya, guys, kasi para na siyang naluluto. Wala na. I think it's
we have
there.
it there or how old?
I think it's there, baby.
No, it's there. After finish this, we will take it.
Come. So dito guys sa may beach may nakikita kayong nagbebenta ng mga ganyan. So maghahanap kami ng pagkakainan namin.
When you see here, parece que it's quite slowly. But when I stay inside, it's fast.
But when we go down, not too much fast.
Here, let me go for there.
Yes, I think different side.
Before it's coming here, coming for there.
Yeah.
Finish. Almoçar, senhores? Não, por enquanto não. Tá bom, dá pra caminhar. Claro.